Hi everyone, welcome to the weekend vlog. How are y'all doing today? Friday afternoon, it's a little bit past 4 if I'm not mistaken, and I'm getting ready to do my makeup for tonight. I am going to Moist Beach. Oh, they just took lights, so the sound of the generator is gonna come on. It's gonna be terrible. We're going to Moist Beach. Moist Beach is having a house party, not a house party, but like a house music party at the beach. There's gonna be a bonfire. There's gonna be like cool stuff. A is playing, Sensei Lo is playing. So yeah, it's just a general good day. I'm about to start doing my makeup. My brother is trying to put on the gen. I recently got a bunch of new products from Beauty Formulas, their new glycolic acid range, a range of skincare products that contain glycolic acid, including a hydrating gel, a face scrub, a cleanser, and a wash. There the generator goes. If you're interested in knowing more about the new range of Beauty Formulas products, let me know. Leave me a comment below. I am gonna start my makeup now.
Yeah, 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 yeah. And they say, promesas son nada más que solo palabras, y si no las cumples se van a desvanecer. Algún día volverás tú al lado mío y yo de testigo. Vamos 1, 2, 3, sin estrés. Muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres moverlo sin pena, ven. Sin estrés, muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, de todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, de todo esos
So this is my makeup look today. I did a halo eye. I really like it. I haven't done a halo eye in a while. And I did a really nice brown and green one. I'm downstairs because I just finished cooking. Literally just finished making pasta. My brother and I are hungry and we want to eat before we go out tonight. So I just made us a nice pot of pasta. I'm waiting for it to cool down a little bit, then I'll dish a plate for myself. Oh, we should be leaving the house in about an hour or so. Yinka? Yeah. What time do you want to leave the house? Let's say 8? So we're gonna be leaving the house at 8. Oh my god, my nose is so sparkly, like boop. The highlight though. So I don't know if you guys can see me, but we are just getting to the 90s baby house party. I don't know if I mentioned it, but yeah, 90s baby is having a house party. So we're here for that.
Telling me to dance, taking a chance. Telling me to dance, taking a chance. Telling me to dance, taking a chance.
So we just got to Landmark Beach. We left the 90s baby party and we're at Landmark Beach for the tropical house party. Yeah, good music and the good vibes. Are you looking forward to it, Yinka?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. You're going to take a picture of me over there.
All right, I will. Here with the crew. up. It is Saturday afternoon. It's late afternoon. It's like about almost 4 p.m. Yesterday night was fun, and then it quickly just went downhill. Like legit, it started off on such a high and then it went phew. My spontaneous like life is fun and all that, but sometimes it can come with a lot of wahala and a lot of bullshit. Maybe I'll do a story time on it one day, but just know that I'm alive, I'm safe, I'm well. Woke up this morning and had to deal with a couple of things that's related to last night, but I'm just happy that everything seems to be fine right now. I have been doing so many chores because tomorrow is Sallah, and in my house we have a little Sallah party every Sallah, and I invite a couple of friends over, and I don't really show you guys, like I don't vlog the Sallah party that much, and that's because usually I see that time as a time for me and my friends to just chill and have fun and not pull out a camera and be recording. Maybe I'll do something, maybe I'll record tomorrow, I'm not sure. But usually we just chill, we drink. In fact, I need to tell people that are coming that they should come with a bottle. I am planning on going to the African Artists Foundation today. Yinka Bernie is performing there. Yinka Bernie is performing at the African Artists Foundation today, part of an art exhibition. A Nigerian artist. He does, I think, photography as well. I'm not sure, but he's a Nigerian creative, and he's performing at AAF today. And then after that, I do want to go to Danfo for the We Love House music party, because I want to go see Sons of Ubuntu. He's a DJ as well, a really nice guy. I want to go see him because I was supposed to hang with him yesterday, but I got a little too lit last night. I'll tell you guys the story later. So I'm uploading the Sunday vlog. Do you guys like these weekly vlogs? I feel like they're gonna get very monotonous at some point because it's basically like Friday, Saturday, Sunday, like what I do during the weekend, how I party, that kind of thing. And I don't know if you guys are like interested in seeing that every week. If not, let me know. I feel like it's getting like she goes out every weekend monotonous, but if you guys like it, I'll still do it. All right, I'm ready to head out. I'm not wearing any makeup today because I fell asleep with my makeup on and I want to give my face the opportunity to breathe. Plus I am trying out some new skincare products, so I want to see how my face kind of like goes through during the day with it. So what I'm wearing my everything denim skirt with a black, I said black, with my green t-shirt. I think the contrast between the print and the green is nice. I would have carried my black bag, but it's too small for my wallet, my power bank and stuff like that. Just got to African Artists Foundation. I got here like a while ago. I spent like the majority of the time just looking for parking, and now as I have parked and walked here, I am now looking at a parking space right behind me. There was no space to park here before, but now there's a fucking space to park. Do I go back and get my car and park here, or do I just leave my car where it is? I'll leave my car where it is.
Abuja. I talk and I walk. I talk it like I walk it. I walk it like I talk it.